Hey everyone, it's Holly. Just wanted to say hey, see how everybody's doing today. Haven't really been very busy today. Been laying down and getting a lot of rest. But I did manage to get some video of the plants outside. The tomatoes and cucumbers. And of the fence that Champa's made so far. He's making it out of scrap material and stuff. I did want to show y'all some pictures that I have been coloring, because they say color therapy really helps. So, here's one. And sometimes it does help. It is relaxing. There's one. Some of these took me days to color, and some of them didn't. Here's one. This one's kind of simple. I like the simplicity of it. And this one. And this one's just kind of a whole bunch of colors and just randomness. Some of the colors I don't think you can even see. I've been working on these for like the past month. Some of them I think are cool, some of them aren't. But color therapy really does help. Even though this one's just lemons, it's one of my favorites. So let me know what y'all think about them. I'm trying to find out if this color therapy really does work. Well, the plants are looking pretty good. They are growing. That one's got a little sprout. I think these are garlic. And the cherry tomatoes grown. And the cucumbers grown. They're doing pretty good. I'm so happy. I'm not sure if you can see it or not, but there's little sprouts in there. Champa's rocket stove. And it looks like the fire got too hot and melted the screen, so he's gonna have to get another one. But he's got him a little stand to put it on, so it's not so hard to get to. He's just using scrap stuff to make a little fence. I'm not really sure if you can see it or not. I might start playing a game and show you some videos of my game and stuff like that on here. I'm not really sure what I want to do yet. Depends on how I feel. I don't want to commit to saying I'll do a game on certain days and I don't really feel like doing anything. But just let me know what you think about my pictures. And I'll see you later. Bye.